Welcome to this tutorial on how to transfer music from Canva to CapCut PC. To start, open Canva and create a new design. You can choose any template or simply add an image to your project. Navigate to the Elements tab, scroll down, and locate the audio option. Click See All to explore the available music. Drag and drop the selected music to the designated Drop Music area. Now click on your design and adjust the timing to match the length of the music. When you're ready, click Share, then select Download. Choose MP for video as the file type and click Download to save it to your computer. Moving on to CapCut and upload the video you just downloaded from Canva. Add it to the timeline. Right-click and select Extract Audio. Once the audio is extracted, you can delete the video footage if you don't need it. Next, drag and drop the desired video onto the timeline to apply the music. You can also export this music to use in future projects. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching.